You bought the dip, congratulations. But do you know where to sell the rip? Most traders and investors hold too long and give back half, if not all of their gains. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you exactly where to buy and where to sell. You don't want to miss this one. Are you ready?
Hey, I'm Scott, and I've been a pro trader for 10 years. In these videos, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned so you don't have to learn the hard way. Remember to follow and share the channel, and also have your alerts on because I'm going to give you a lot of updates and you want to be the first to know.
Jumping right in here, it's your favorite crypto bro to cover looking at the S&P 500 futures. This is the representation of the United States stock market, and what we have here from the bear market low, you have to realize in percentage terms we're actually up 80%, okay, off the bear market low. So buying the dip in 2022, congratulations. Now it's time to sell the rip. Let's find the top on this thing. Now, in a perfect world, the top is right here around 65.73, okay? Why? That's a Fibonacci extension. Now, you want to take a look at specific stocks that are your favorite, right? But this is all the stocks in the S&P 500. We can use it as a representation to give us an idea of what to look for. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback. I know a lot of smart money is actually exiting the market 100% at this level. Not financial advice, but start paying attention to these, looking for these market tops. Now, when you look at the best performing stocks over the past year, we have Palantir up 417%, Netflix up 91%, all right? So buying the dip, amazing. Let's talk about selling the rip. Speaking of Palantir, let's take a quick look. Now, here was my buy alert on Palantir, back here around $14 in 2022, okay? Now, this stock is actually up in percentage terms. Let's take a look how much that is up. Let's use the bear market low here to where we are now, 2,300%. That is a fantastic move. So buying the dip here, selling the rip here. It's time to start selling. At the very least, move a stop up under R1. R1 is about 126. Price is going to come down and test that. If we break down, you can technically just get out at a huge gain here. But again, this is not financial advice, but things are starting to get a little toppy in the stock market. I think within the next 6 months, you're going to see a significant top in the stock market, all right, if not sooner. Now, money's starting to rotate into crypto, so make sure to follow me at Crypto Bro Alerts on X, and I'll keep you posted on all the latest moves before they happen. Let's look at AMD, all right? Now, I gave buy alerts on AMD if you were following me on this channel, down here at all these support levels. What do we mean by buy the dip? Well, that's called buying the dip, right? But what do we do now? I mean, from the low here, AMD is up 100%. So buying the dip, great. Now it's time to sell the rip, all right? Now, let's take a look at some other popular stocks. For example, Tesla. Everyone loves Tesla. Everyone knows Tesla. Tesla was a buy alert down here at 150, all right? Now, it was a sell alert up here at 100% gain around 419, all right? Technically, it was another buy alert that I gave here at 216, and again, sell alert here at 348.
Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together.
Don't miss these moves. Remember to pay yourself along the way, okay? So, let's take a look at one more. Let's actually take a look at NVDA. Everyone's talking about NVDA, all right? Let me zoom out here and just give you an idea. This is where you wanted to start buying NVIDIA around $14 during the 2022 bear market, all right? This is an inverse head and shoulders bottoming pattern. The right shoulder's right here, buying here at 14, and then looking to sell up here into these extensions. Let me show you what I mean by that. By the way, NVIDIA's got some bearish divergence, so it's gonna have a reversal into these levels. Make sure you pay attention here, all right? Let's take a look. So basically, up into 176 is a sell. Up into 194 is a sell. Up into 215 is a sell. And then the buy alert for NVIDIA is back down here around 75 bucks. That'll probably be in the 2026-2027 bear market. Make sure you're following me on this channel with alerts on. And by the way, share this with just one person you know who ever talks to you about stocks or the stock market or crypto. Just one person, only takes a second. Share that now. Now, let's move along here and wrap this up. So what we're going to do on Friday, we're going to do Fun Stocks Fridays and cover stocks, all right? And then don't sleep on Saturday, because Saturday we're going to give you a crypto wrap-up video. And of course, every Thursday, you're going to get a video on crypto and trading concepts. So this is really exciting. Thanks for all your support, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Hey, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, click the link in the description. You can join the Financial Freedom Academy email list. We're going to give you free market updates every Wednesday, trading tips, and insider information you don't want to miss. Check it out.